Hey what up guys, we are back with another video, and I know that you see a black screen. Okay, I'm just going to shut up about the screen. Guys, we hit 38 subscribers. By the end of the year, I at least want to hit 50 or 100. That would be brilliant. Guys, if we hit 100 subscribers, I'll do a special. And guys, seeing the 12th of May, this is a kind of a spoiler. My channel has hit 1 year, and you should wait what I'm going to do. Oh, and involves this t-shirt. This t-shirt is over 1 year old. I was wearing this t-shirt in my first ever video. Ready guys? 12th of May. Surprise. So guys, let's get into it. We're listening to the Dumbledore song in 3, 2, 1, go. This is my sign, by the way.
What is that mysterious ticking noise? Not over here, not over there. Kind of catchy. Snape, Snape, Severus Snape, 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 Severus Snape, Dumbledore, Snape, Severus Snape,
Dumbledore,
Snape, Severus Snape, Dumbledore, Snape, Severus Snape, Dumbledore, Snape, Severus Snape, Dumbledore, Snape, Severus Snape, Dumbledore,
I'm sorry,
Severus Snape, Dumbledore, Harry Potter, Harry Potter, Severus Snape, Harry Potter, Severus Snape, that's me, Snape, Harry 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 Dumbledore, Hermione, Dumbledore, Harry Potter,
Double. Oh, that's enjoying. Wow.
Harry Potter, singing our song all day long at Hogwarts. I found the source of the ticking. It's a pipe bomb. Yay!
Okay, I'm not dancing anymore. Guess Voldemort killed everything. Okay. Hope you guys enjoyed, because I certainly did. As always, I got 2 words for you. Peace out and be extreme.